Turtle Wax Scratch Repair and Renew is the only scratch removal product with Heal and Seal technology. Formulated with precision self-aligning platelets, it safely removes years of scratches, swirls, paint transfer, water spots, and more in just one use. The easy-to-use product can be applied in two different fashions: by hand with a foam applicator or microfiber towel, or by use with an orbital polisher and soft foam pad. Best results will come when applied to a cool, clean paint surface out of direct sunlight. For use by hand, dispense a small amount of Scratch Repair and Renew onto a foam applicator or clean microfiber towel. From here, work the product into one section at a time using gentle back and forth pressure for roughly 30 seconds. Check results by wiping away any excess product with a clean, damp, or dry microfiber towel, and if necessary, reapply in the same fashion until desired results are achieved. For use with an orbital polisher, start by dispensing enough Scratch Repair and Renew to season a clean, soft foam polishing pad. Softly work into the pad either by hand or by spreading the product around the desired paint area to be polished before turning the polisher on. This avoids slinging extra product to other areas of your paint, work areas, or your clothes. One section at a time, start working with the polisher at 1500 RPM and light pressure. Work in back and forth motions for roughly 30 seconds or until product is reduced to a haze. Check results section by section by wiping away any excess product with a clean, damp, or dry microfiber towel, and if necessary, reapply in the same fashion until desired results are achieved. Easy application meets rigorous results with Turtle Wax's Scratch Repair and Renew. While self-aligning platelets permanently remove years of damage in one use, protective resins also deposit a barrier for permanent paint restoration, leaving a like-new shine for years to come.